Hi everyone, welcome to the Board of Technical and Collegiate Education. I myself Shailashri Bhupalam, lecturer, Government Polytechnic, Chintamani. In this session, we will discuss simple cash book or single column cash book. The objective is to know already we are recalling the meaning, features, importance and types of cash book. It contains, means this session contains simple cash book. How to prepare simple cash book? What is the format or proforma of preparing simple cash book? And also we will learn example, problems on simple cash book. The objective here is to know the basic knowledge of cash book, familiarize with terms of cash book, accounting and also how to solve or methods of recording or solving some problems on the cash book. First we will, I said in the last session, that is simple cash book. Simple cash book ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾಲಮು ಇರಲ್ಲ. There will be only one column which is meant for amount column in addition to regular pro forma. So we will also discuss some pro forma of the simple cash book. Here also, just like ledger account, there will be debit side and credit side. Under debit side, first we enter date, particulars, receipt number, ledger folio, amount. Again in credit side, we enter date, particulars, voucher number, because payment is made, therefore voucher number is entered, and then amount is also entered. Ledger folio is also entered. Here we will discuss one simple example of a single column cash book. So firstly, it is shown the balance of cash in hand. How much balance is there in the cash? We know that all asset shows the debit balance, all liability shows credit balance. Therefore, we have to take the two balance brought down. The balance of cash means two balance brought down we have to take. And cash sales. Cash sales means the goods sold for cash. So what we have to do means the cash comes in. Towards what cash comes in means towards sales it comes in. We know that in cash book or in cash account we should not write cash. So what we have to write? What is the journal entry for this? Cash account data to sales account. Therefore we have to write to sales. And purchased machinery for cash. We know that we can use the purchase only if goods are purchased. But here machinery is purchased, therefore we have to write machinery instead of purchase. So what is the journal entry for this? Machinery account data to cash account. So we have to write by machinery. We are not supposed to write cash, therefore we have to write by machinery. And one more thing is rent received from tenant. We should know that soon after we receive the rent, whatever we receive, what comes in? Cash comes in. So cash is which type of account? The every asset, what the cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So what comes in? Cash comes in. From whom it comes in? From tenant it comes in. But it should be noted that the rent received from tenant, one is personal account and another one is nominal account. If personal account and nominal account both are given, we have to consider nominal account but not the personal account. Therefore, rent received from tenant means cash comes in. From whom it comes in, that should not be taken. Towards what it comes in means rent it comes in. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore, entry is cash account data to rent account. So we have to write to rent. And goods purchased for cash. So by purchase. Purchase entry is purchase account data to cash account. Therefore we have to write by purchase. We can use the word purchase only if goods are purchased. As goods are purchased, so we have to write by purchase. Salary, here also you observe salary paid to staff. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕೀಗ, ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೈ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. Then cash received from Jaipal. Here also one is real account, another one is personal account. Cash received from Jaipal ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Who is the giver? Jaipal is the giver. Jaipal is which type of account? Personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who is the giver? Jaipal is the giver. Therefore, what comes in? Cash comes in. Entry is cash account debtor to Jaipal account. So, we have to write to Jaipal account. Now, deposited into bank. Deposited means what we deposit? ಏನನ್ನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಶನ್ನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟು. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಸೀವರ್? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಸೀವರ್? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಸೀವರ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಬೈ bank account. And paid for sundry expenses. Expenses, all expenses are nominal account. Paid for sundry expenses means sundry expenses account debtor to cash account. To cash anta we are not supposed to write to cash. Therefore what we write by sundry expenses. One more thing we should note that usually in cash book receipt side will be more than payment side. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ಹಣ. ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರಿಂದ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ದಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸೀಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cash book. So you can go through this example. This is what mentioned here. So if you go through this example, you will understand how to prepare the cash book. So same example is also explained here. Almost all entries will be same. So refer the books which is mentioned. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture. The session outcome will be what? You will be having the knowledge of the simple column cash book and also for maintaining various types of cash book. So thank you very much once again. Good luck.